Once again, very good morning and thanks for joining. Okay, to deliver the first 10 to 15 sessions is very tough for us, every DBS, because we need to bring everyone into one page. That is not a easy task for the trainers uh, who is like a delivering, especially for me because many things we need to cover in the core concept. But no worries, only one request from everyone I'm asking. As of now, your attendance is very good. I just loving it, your attendance. Even when I'm talking to Sai also, we are telling same thing. The attendance is so far is good. Only one request from you people I'm asking. Stay back with the same attendance at ending. Okay, I'm promising you, you will learn a lot. Whatever you are seeing now, but Monday onwards, you won't get that much hectic, sir. We'll go in a concept wise, right? You will love the concepts. Okay. Whatever so far it's tough to understand because we are having lot of questions, but from Monday you won't feel that one because from Monday onwards we'll go for concept wise. We'll take one concept, we'll drive that concept. We'll take one concept, we'll drive that concept. You love that sessions. So far, what is the difficulty means you are still having somewhere you are having still doubts. Definitely it will be covered, sir. How to spin the VMs. Many people having question how to spin the VM. So, yesterday you installed the SQL Server on the VMware. Okay, VMware. So this concept, I will take you a separate session, sir. The people who are first time listening. Okay, no worries. I will do everything scratch. I will build the DC. I will build the node 1. I will build the node 2 in front of you only. Okay, I will build the networks, Active Directories, storages, everything in front of you. I will build everything and I will present you. Don't think that, okay, we don't know how to build the VMwares. We don't know how to build the networks. Everything I will do from scratch level. Okay, don't worry about. As of now, what you need to focus is how to install SQL Server. Okay, it can be your laptop. Okay, it can be your laptop. It can be a VM. Okay, on-prem VM. It can be cloud VM. Cloud in the sense, it can be Azure, it can be AWS, it can be Google Cloud, it can be Alibaba Cloud. Cloud is a cloud, sir. Okay, so if you know how to install SQL Server, 90 to 95% you already good. Only 5% is a platform where you are installing that platform. Either you are installing on your laptop or you are installing on VMs, virtual machines, or you are installing on cloud. That's only where you are finding that infrastructure is differed, sir. The concept is a concept. Okay, so the experienced people I'm saying, the lateral who are starting the journey, both I'm saying, especially experienced people. Okay, Subbu is not teaching how to install the VMware, DC machines, all this stuff. No, sir. Everything you will get from scratch. Like how in cloud also we'll go for scratch level. In on-prem also we'll do the scratch level. I will make a little more complex. Like I will spin the VMs in on-prem. I will spin the VMs in cloud. I will spin the VMs in cloud. And we will make a bridge between cloud to on-prem. Okay. Uh, it's tough to understand networking part, but you won't do all this stuff in real world. Okay. You won't do all this stuff in real world, but you will damn sure you can understand. Damn sure you can understand. So we will spin the VMs in cloud. We will spin the VMs in on-prem, and we will make a bridge between these two. Okay, means we will make a network connectivity between these two to drive the migration. So we need to migrate the data which is in on-prem to the cloud, right? So that before that we will build the networks. So network will play a major role. Here no one is there, sir. You don't have Windows team, you don't have network team, you don't have storage team, you don't have Active Directory team. You are the one person who need to become everything. Everything you need to become. So that much level we will train. So we will make a bridge and we will transfer the data from here to here. Okay, on-prem to cloud via networks. Only one thing I'm requesting you people in the day starting itself, I'm saying your active attendance. I'm happy to train everything. Okay, don't think that Subbu won't train this one. Everything, sir. As a DPA, how much knowledge you want, that much we will deliver. I hope everyone clear. I don't want to waste the time. Is it clear? First thing.
Yes, yes, Subbu. Yes,
Yes,
Subbu.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Subbu,
Okay.
I have one
Yes.
question, Subbu.
Thank you.
Yes. Yeah.
Previously, I missed some classes, so I am trying to find those classes, but
Here
where
only,
it
right?
is?
In our Azure SQL Champ.
Okay, okay,
Azure SQL Champ. Okay. So when you go here, you will see your dedicated playlist. No. Okay. You will see your dedicated playlist. For you, this is a playlist, sir. 45th batch. Okay. I hope you are getting my point. 45th batch. All are public only. Okay. From Monday, we'll make it as a private. Today also it will make it as a public. From Monday onwards, we'll make it as a private. Okay. Everything. Provide your email address, permanent email address. We will grant the permissions. Okay. Everyone. Provide your permanent email address to the SAI. Okay. Ping to the SAI. This is the SAI number. Okay. This is my number. We will provide all your permanent email address. We will grant the permission so that you can go and watch. Okay. You no need to worry in case 2 days I not attended the session. So boom. Is there anything miss? No, nothing. Everything will be pre-recorded. That means everything is recorded and it will be uploaded in this playlist. Okay. This is your complete playlist, sir. This is your playlist. And we will grant you the permission. We'll grant you the permission.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Along with this, okay, SQL Lab features, SQL Lab video series, whenever you are having some time, okay, and L1 series, where is L1 batch? L1 series. Whenever you are having time, okay, you can go and watch this also. This you know it, sir. This is for distributed always on availability group. We will talk in depth. Okay, distributed always on availability group. This, okay. You can go and watch in case you are having free time. The people who are starting the journey, don't watch now, sir. After 30 days, you can go and watch this one, L1. Okay. And one more thing, from next week onwards, means from next week, every week we'll get 2 sessions, sir, apart from our regular sessions. Maybe it is not relevant to you. Relevant means it is not ready to learn, but you should be active participant. Okay. As I told you, right, we wanted to make this 13 to 30. Okay, 13 to 30, 17 more sessions. Along with, you will get one more playlist called MSBA playlist, where you will get SSIS, SSRS, Power BI. Okay, come attend the session, sir. If you're understanding, good. If you're not understanding, also good. Because once we complete the training, that time you will be familiarized this one. So I can't complete everything in the live sessions. So you will get 30 plus recorded sessions. Okay. SSIS, SSRS, Power BI, some futures. Okay. Like CDC, change tracking, column store indexes, partitions, query stores. All we are making a pre-recording sessions. So at any cost, if we are going for every week 2 sessions, definitely almost by completing your batch, we may complete 30 sessions. So it will be good for future batches. I don't want to spend more time again. Okay, that is the plan. Again, after your batch also get completed, Okay, your batch got completed. Officially, it got completed, but it's unofficial, sir. What do you means if I'm learning something new, next batch, I will call you. Okay, I will call you in the community blog. Okay, today we are going to discuss something we haven't discussed. You be participant. So it's a never ending. Every batch, if I'm learning something, you are also learning something, sir. That's the only one thing I can promise you. Okay. And some people are expecting Linux also, how to install SQL on Linux. That is also we are planning, sir. Okay. SQL on Linux. And anyhow, we are going to build the AWS platform for Postgres and MongoDB. So I am planning that why can't I build clusters always on AWS? Okay. I won't disturb the live session, sir. This is additional. See, everything you will get additional benefits. Okay. Uh, you also get AWS on top of AWS, how to spin the VMs, how to spin the networks, how to spin the clusters, how to spin the always on also. Okay. Clear, sir, everyone. So only my small request is active participant. Apart from nothing, I'm asking from everyone. Okay. I won't ask anything, sir. Only active participant. If you are active in the class, I can deliver like anything. Okay. Yeah. Is it fine, everyone? Good. So you will get you will get. Okay. Uh, 1 second. Yeah. No. So you will get AWS also, Linux also. Okay. PowerShell, I was little weak, but I wanted to become strong in PowerShell as well. Going forward, I will also make the use of DB tools. Definitely will also learn, sir. Okay. Again, I told you, right? Your batch, every batch, not your batch. Every batch are the never-ending batches. It's keep on continuing. Officially, I will tell that 2 months your batch will complete, but I'm unofficially it's keep on learning only. Okay. Yeah, that's it, sir. So you will get the feedback form. Take 1 or 2 minutes and provide your valuable feedbacks. Whatever genuinely, sir. Okay. We'll take all your feedbacks from starting. We'll take the feedbacks. Okay. At the middle, we'll take one feedback. At the ending, also, we'll take the feedbacks. Okay. So honestly, where you started, where you are in the middle, where you are at the ending, how much you learn. So 3 feedbacks will take honest feedbacks. Okay. That's it. Yeah, good so far. Now let's move on, sir. So what I understood from the previous batches means many people laptops are not compatible to spin the VMs, to spin the servers, everything. Okay. So for that, first my focus is yesterday I just shown you how to install. I know many people got some information, but not that much familiarized information to make strong. Okay, to make strong, what I'm going to bring is okay, how to install SQL Server on your local laptop. Okay, so next week, I will call in some time. Okay, I will call in. One second. Okay, next week I will call in some time out of our classes. Okay, regular classes. So I will take a separate session how to spin the VMs. Okay, one day we will spend on the how to spin the VMs. One day how to install SQL Server on top of that VMs. One day how to perform command means PowerShell command line in the sense PowerShell. Okay, it can be SQL CMD or it can be PowerShell. So you will get 3 more additional sessions next week. Okay, so that you will become strong in installing SQL Server on your virtual machine. Is it fine, right, everyone? No? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Forget about VMware, everything. First, as a basic component, how to install SQL Server. Okay, how to install SQL Server. As I told you clearly, okay, go to SQL Server download. Okay, and for example, you want to download SQL Server 2019. Okay, SQL Server 2019. Okay, don't install Express Edition, sir. Okay, uh, because there is one concept. So you won't get the agent when you install SQL Server 2019. Um, I think it won't go for get started with 2019. Yeah. Okay. Luckily, we are getting SQL Server 2019 Evaluation Edition. Go to download the exe file. Click on exe file. Okay. It will prompt you to go for SQL Server 2019. Luckily, we got this. We got this 2019. I will ping this one in the video description. Okay. You can go to here and download SQL Server 2019. Okay. Why Subbu 2019? Okay. Why Subbu 2019? Why not 2022? Means yesterday we done 2022 only, sir. Today we will done 2019. Okay. IBM. Any random information is also fine. It's okay. Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Subbu, uh, sorry actually, means I couldn't attend daily class because of my office work, but today I will attend. Just one question. Um, as I see the recording previous, you told that there are means editions like enterprise edition, standard, express, and developer edition. So what is this evaluation edition? I'm just
Evaluation edition for student purpose, sir. Okay.
okay,
When you are practice, oh, I forget to tell this one. Okay, sorry. Good. Evaluation this edition is like a practicing purpose, sir. It will work for 6 months. Okay. After 6 months, the SQL will be expired. Okay. Your services will be automatically expired. Nothing you need to do. Uninstall SQL Server. Again install. Again same set of file. Again install. Again it will work for 6 more months.
okay. So,
Okay.
but if someone asks us in interview what is the editions type, so
Evaluation edition is also like enterprise edition only, sir. You can
okay,
do
okay, it is
everything.
enterprise. Okay,
Yeah, you can do everything.
okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Where it is? Downloaded? Sorry, what happened? Downloaded or not? Oh no. What happened? I closed it. Oh, it downloaded. Okay. It got downloaded. So once you got this one, you need to install, sir. Okay. Once uh, you got the a set of file. Okay. Next you need to download. So don't go for basic. If you go for basic, you will go for evaluation edition. Don't go for custom also. Go for download media, sir. Okay. And choose the ISO file. Then click on download. Okay. So purely I am showing how to install SQL Server on your laptop. Okay. Because many people who are starting the journey, they are getting lot of confused. Uh, all the stuff. I don't want to make that confused, sir. Okay. So that's the reason I'm downloading everything on the local laptop. Next week I will take you how to install SQL Server again on the VMware. Okay. So 3 sessions you will get additional, sir. Okay. Next week. No worries if your time slot. I will take your time slots only. Okay. Based on your time slots only, I will take additional 3 sessions, sir. Okay. I don't want disturb in the morning. Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just one question. I just want to know that if on Azure we received as IaaS as a system, that virtual machine as a infrastructure, then same steps we have to follow on Azure system as well to install SQL Server.
Yes, sir. Same thing. Again, I told you, right? Okay, only infrastructure is changing, but underlying concept is same, sir. Okay, I told you, right? Flipkart is a e-commerce application. Amazon is also e-commerce application. What the change, sir? Only the platform, right? Okay, only the platform is changing. Underlying, the products are same. Like same, when you are installing SQL Server, how you are installing on your laptop, how you are installing on the VM, okay, how you are installing on laptop, how you are installing on the VM, how you are installing on the cloud, all are same. But only here and there will be little changes, sir. Okay, definitely you will see little changes. What is those changes also I will explain. Yeah, when we go for cloud, we will spin again. I told you, right? 5 to 6 times we will install the SQL servers. Okay, you will become strong in cloud. You will become strong in on-prem. You will become strong in how to install SQL servers. Okay, yeah. So I downloaded the product. Okay, I downloaded the product. Now go to the product. Okay, now I got the product. Now let's extract the products. Okay, let's extract the products. Always. Okay, now it is directly going here. Okay, now see. Now whenever you click, okay, when you open the ISO file, you will get a separate disk. Okay, separate disk with this ISO file setup. Okay, this is SQL Server 2019. Okay, SQL Server 2019. Yesterday we talked about what is 64-bit, what is tools, what is resources, what is visit. Okay, and 1033 NU. Just remember these folder names. As a traditional, you need to open the setup file. Okay, always I told you, right? Open the setup file with the administrator. Run as administrator. That is one of the best practice you should follow. Once you open the setup file, close everything. I don't want everything. Okay. Go to the tools, verify system checker. That is the one best practice as a DBA you need to do. Again, whatever platform it may be, you are installing a SQL Server. Please don't get confused. You are installing SQL Server, whatever platform. It can be your laptop, it can be on-prem, it can be cloud. Cloud in the sense Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, whatever, sir. Okay. Once you open the setup files, go to the tools, click the system configuration checker. So everything is passed. I don't have any issue. We are good to install SQL Server. And as I told you, one more thing. Okay, installed SQL Server feature discovery report means any installation is already existing. Okay, in this laptop, I wanted to verify, sir. In this server, see these many services already running in my laptop. Okay, 2014 is running, 2016 is running, 2017 is running, 2019 is running. Of course, 2022 is also running, but being I am installing SQL Server 2019, it will display until 2019, sir. It will display. So how many versions currently running in my laptop? 14, 16, 17, 19. Got it, everyone? So these many versions already running in my laptop. Okay. In your laptop, when you are installing first time, you won't get any details. Yes. Yes, Lokesh.
Sir, what is the difference between Enterprise Edition and Enterprise Evaluation Edition? I mean,
So again, I'm telling that both are same only. Evaluation edition will expire in 6 months. Okay, enterprise evaluation expire in 6 months. Okay, after 6 months, you need to uninstall SQL. Again, you need to reinstall SQL.
we cannot directly install Enterprise Edition. I mean,
We can't No, see, you need to have the license keys, right? See, if you want to install, see, you got the keys. Now you got the keys. Can I use these keys in real world? No, right? Location.
No,
No.
no.
So this is for practicing purpose, okay, sir. But we'll talking on real world. If you talk on real world, evaluation edition will expire in 6 months. Okay?
Okay.
Evaluation edition expire in 6 months. After
Yeah, got
6 months, again you need to reinstall or you need to upgrade the edition. There is a
yeah.
concept if we go to the maintenance edition upgrade. Okay? You can go for edition upgrade also. We'll talk all this stuff in the upcoming classes, sir. Okay? When we are talking about the migrations, upgradations, we'll talk about how to downgrade, how to upgrade, how to edition upgrade, how to SQL upgrade. We'll talk all this stuff, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, good, sir. Is it clear first thing? Once, again, sir, again, I'm repeating, this is your actual installation. Whatever you are doing today is actual. So don't get confused. Once, sir, only one thing the difference is here you downloaded the software. But in real world, what I told you, sir, in real world, what we discuss, either you are having setup file in the network path, or you will keep the setup file in the storage accounts, or AppStream will provide the setup file. Okay, you won't download the setup file in real world. Please, sir, that is the only one point you need to remember. When you are telling to the interviewer, many people will tell that I will download the setup file. By telling that single line, they may treat that you are not a genuine. You never download in real world, sir. Okay, they already kept the setup file in so and so location. It can be network path, it can be storage account, or AppStream will maintain. They will provide the setup file location. You need to go on get that one. But when you are practicing only, you will download like this. Is it clear? First point, everyone. This is the only
Yeah.
one point you need to remember, sir. How genuine people, how laterals. Okay, what is the genuine people? This is what you need to tell. Okay, so we are having a network path where set of files are hosted. We are having a set of files in the storage account or S3 buckets, or AppStream will provide the setup file. Okay, now once you got the setup file, once you open the setup file, what is the first thing I am saying? Perform the system configuration checker and verify uh, any installation is already done on the server. So currently, this main installation has been performed, sir. Okay, this main installation is already performed in my laptop. In real world, mostly no, sir. I told you, right? Only one server, one instance. Only one server, one instance. Now, okay, go to the install. To go to the install, okay, once you go to the install, you will see new SQL Server standalone installation or add features to the existing installation. Forget about all this stuff. We no need to focus. Focus only on this one. Okay. 70 to 75%, not 70 also, sir, 80 to 85%, 90% you will perform standalone installation only. Okay. 90 to 80, 85 to 90% you will perform standalone installation. So go for standalone installation or add features to the existing installation. You already installed SQL Server and you wanted to add a feature. You wanted to install SQL Server. That is a new one, new installation also. You already installed SQL Server. You wanted to add a feature. Then add features to existing installation. Both are same only, sir. So I will go this. Now you can close this one. You no need this window. Okay, because it will prompt you one more wizard. It will prompt you one more wizard. Okay. Until this is checking, sir. Only one thing that the difficulty here is when you open the computer management from your laptop. If you search for computer management on your laptop, okay, I'm not sure. Nowadays we are not able to see the users and group management. Okay, here earlier earlier when you open the computer management, you could see users and groups. Okay. Nowadays, you are not able to see this one until unless we go for Pro, I think. If you go for Windows 11 Pro, Windows 10 Pro, okay, you will get the users and groups. If you're going for home-based edition, other editions like Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 11, you can't see users and group. Okay. What do you mean by this computer management, sir? Every server, there will be computer management local. It's a local, sir, which contains users and groups. Currently, there is no users and group. Okay, that is the biggest problem you will face here. Why, Subbu, the biggest problem also, I will let you know, sir. Okay, then click on next. Okay,
the
see.
users and group is for what?
Sorry?
The users and
No.
group.
Like a local users, right?
Oh,
If you wanted to create a local user, local Windows user, local Windows group, then computer management will help us a lot, sir, in older systems. But now we are getting Windows home base. Mostly when we are purchasing laptops, they are providing Windows home base, home edition. There you are not able to find the local users and groups. I hope you understand now. Yes, no?
yeah, like, I mean, like the function of the user and group is just like creating user and group at the level of the Active Directory.
Yes, yes,
The same?
yes. So you don't have any Active Directory on your local laptop, sir. On your local laptop, you don't have Active Directory. If I want to create a user, if I want to create a login, how you will create? Currently, you don't have users and group where you can right click, okay, go and create user, go and create group. Because if you are installing SQL Server, as I told you, you need a service account, correct? Agree, not
Yes.
agree? Now, where you will create the service account here, sir? If you're not able to see the users and groups, if you're not able to see the users and group, how you will create a service account? Local service account, not Active Directory service account. Yesterday we created Active Directory service account, but today, how you will create a local service account? That is what I will show you, sir. Okay, that's what I will show you from command prompt. I hope you are getting my point. I will show you how to create users from command prompt.
Sir, I have doubt.
Yes.
Can we say now we are installing 2019 SQL Server new, and
Yes.
you already say some existence, any changes we can add.
Yes, sir.
2022 also comes under that add up or something.
No, sir. Every version is a unique. Okay. Every version is independent. So if you wanted to add a features, you need to go for that ISO file only, sir. Means that setup file only. If you wanted to add a features to 2022, you need to copy the SQL Server 2022 setup file, and you need to add the features. You need to add the features here. Okay, I can't add to the two. See, in my instance, 2017, 2016, 2014, but it is just showing 2019 only, because this is a SQL Server 2019 setup file where I can add features to only 2019 instance. Got it?
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yes. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Subbu, just one question. If we don't have service account, then default it is taking something like NT service, right? NT service account.
Local accounts. Yes.
Okay, okay. So, is it
Local.
possible? Yeah, is it possible? First, we will install with our local
Yes.
service account, and then we can run the services as the AD service account. Someone from
Yes.
infra team if provided.
Yes, sir. That good question. Actually, I told you, right? Maybe it's on the way of talking. But what I wanted to convey is sometimes on urgent you need to install SQL Server. Okay, very urgent. As I told you, right? Take my project, sir. we will take 5 days to install SQL Server. Okay, 5 days. That is our SLA. That is our SLA to install SQL Server. Sometimes very urgent requests will get. Okay, you need to install SQL Server on fly. We need service account. To get service account, we need to wait for 24 hours. For example, whenever you create a service account, that service account request need to be approved. For example, that approver went for vacation. Definitely no one will approve. You don't have any backup also to approve. We need to wait, sir. So on an urgent base, you can install SQL Server with the local accounts. Okay. Later on, you can change to the service account, but you need downtime. Tell them clearly, hi John, we install SQL Server on an urgent basis as per your request, but we need a downtime to change with the service account. Currently, SQL is running with the local accounts. We need to change with the service account. So please let us know when was the good time to change the service account. So you need to take the downtime, sir. You need to remember this terminology always. Downtime means you are stopping the server SQL and starting the SQL, right? That technically we will call it as a downtime. Yeah.
Okay. And is there any prerequisite that service account needs some extra privileges or permission for
Yes.
that? Because in my last project, I observed that they given me service account, but they don't have the access where MDF and LDF file is located. So I'm getting issues while.
That's what, sir. No worries. Next week you will get clarified when we are creating from scratch. Okay.
Okay.
We will create from scratch, right? We'll create the Active Directory, we'll create the domain, we will build the servers from scratch, right? You will understand easily.
Okay. Thank you.
Good, sir. Good. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, nice. Okay. Now, if you wanted to add a feature, you need to go for this one, sir. But please be careful. To which instance you wanted to add the feature, you need to be part of same version only. Like you can't go for 2017, 2016, 2014, 2022 for 2019 set of file. Which instance, which version it is running, same set of file you need to copy and you need to add the features. Is it clear, right, everyone? No? Yes? Raju, Sitaram, Sagar, Sunil,
Yes.
everyone? Okay, good. Now, go to new installation. I am performing a new installation, sir. Okay, I'm going for new installation. Then click on next. Okay, as I told you yesterday, you can go for evaluation edition, developer edition, or you can go for express edition. Okay, go for both are same, sir. You go for evaluation edition, developer edition. Developer edition is a free, sir, now. Okay, developer edition is a free. See, it is clearly saying that, and it is activated with a 180 days expiration. Okay, if you go for evaluation edition, it will expire after 180 days. So please be careful. After 180 days, nothing will happen. You need to uninstall SQL again. You need to
No,
reinstall.
Subbu. So developer edition does not have any expiration.
No, I'm not talking developer evaluation. No.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't want this also means you can go for developer editions. Okay. From 2016 onwards, developer edition is completely free. Okay, completely free. You can go for developer edition also. You don't want evaluation edition, or you can provide the key. I updated all the documents, and I will share it after now itself. Okay, I'm forgetting every day. I kept all the keys also. You can copy the key. Okay, and you can paste it. Now you are installing the enterprise edition. Okay, you can experience that I'm installing the enterprise edition. Then click on accept the license. Then click on next. Okay, now here see, sir. In 2022, in 2022, shared features are you will see very less. Very less. Yeah. Yesterday you remember yesterday I shared one PDF file. Okay. I'm not sure how many people open this one, okay? But this is very important, sir. Okay. This is SQL Server 2014. Okay. When you open SQL Server 2014, you will see, when you open the new setup file, you will see new SQL Server standalone, new SQL cluster, add node cluster, upgrade, only 4. But when you open 2016, when you open 2016, let me get the pen, sir. When you open 2016, okay, you will see SSMS data tools. Okay, you will see SSMS data tools, and you will see R language also. Additional, this is the one of the major change happened in 2016, sir. Okay, earlier when you are installing SQL Server 2014, okay, when you are installing SQL Server 2014, SSMS is also part of installation only. Okay, when you open here, you will see here, you will see management tools also. Management tools also. Okay. When, sir, in 2014, SSMS is also part of your installation, your regular installation. Your regular installation. SSMS is also part of your regular installation. But what you need to understand, from 2016 onwards, SSMS has been separated from the regular installation. SSMS has been separated from the regular installation. Regular installation means SSMS you need to install separately. But until 2014, you will see SSMS also part of shared features. I hope you are getting my point. When you are installing 2014, here there is a concept called management tools. Nothing but SSMS only, sir. So SSMS is part of your installation. From 2016, what Microsoft done? Microsoft separated SSMS from here and it kept as a separate installation. This is one thing you need to remember. This is one thing you need to remember, sir. If someone is asking what is the change when you are installing SQL Server means, in 2014, SSMS is part of our regular installation, but 2016, SSMS has been separated. SSMS has been separated. Data tools has been integrated. Data tools also integrated. SSMS has been separated. But here, see, there is nothing here. But in 2016, you will see SSMS, you will see data tools also. Is it clear? No worries about R language, all this stuff. So let's focus only these two. Is it clear? When you if someone is asking interviewer, you can explain easy, right? Agree, not agree, everyone.
Yes.
It's clear.
Yes. Okay. Like same, if you go for 2017, okay, 2017, this is 2017, sir. Reporting service is also part of regular installation. See, reporting services. In 2016, reporting services. Coming to 2017, reporting services also separated. Reporting services also separated. See, reporting services, no more you will see reporting services here. Under the features, you won't see the reporting services. See, there is no concept called reporting services. Nowhere you will see the reporting services. Because reporting services has been separated from the regular installation. Reporting services has been separated from the regular installation. So 2017, reporting services has been separated officially, sir. Officially it has been separated. So 2016, SSMS has been separated. 2017, reporting services has been separated. This is what you need to remember. Okay, this is what you need to remember. And one more thing, sir, very important. Okay, very important you need to remember is in 2016, okay, 2016, there is no concept called missile level language, all this stuff. But coming to 2017, Microsoft added the missile level language like R language, Python language. Okay, Polybase also added. See, Polybase added, missile level language added. In 2017, reporting services has been separated and along with missile level language is added, and polybase is also added. Polybase is also added. Is it clear? One more point. So these are all you need to remember, sir. This is one of the interview question. What are the major changes you will notice when you are installing each versions? Okay, you no need to go for 2008 to 2008 or to 2012. Come from 2014 is good, sir. Okay, until 2014 it is one thing, but from 2016 the change has been made. So what are the change you will see? SSMS has been separated in 2016. Reporting services has been separated from 2017, and in 2017 missile level language is added, and polybase is also added in 2017. Got it?
No, sir. You say in 2014 was separated.
SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. SQL Server Management Studio is part of regular installation only, sir. Before 2014, 2016. Before 2016, SSMS is also part of regular installation. Here only you will get it, SSMS. Like what name you will get, sir? Management tools. Management tools. You will get the management tools are here. You need to check that box. But now no more you will see management tools. See, anywhere you are able to see the management tools here? No. When it has been removed from 2016 onwards. From 2016, SSMS has been separated. Very easy, sir. SQL Server Management Studio has been separated from 2016. That's it. Apart from nothing else, you need to remember, sir. Got it? No? Yes?
Yes.
Subbu, bro.
Yes.
In 2008 also it is separated or
Okay,
included?
no, sir. I am talking from 2014. Till
Okay.
2014, everything is same.
Okay.
See, if I am talking 2014 means below also same, right? See, below also same. There is nothing I need to talk about 2008, 2005. I don't want to go for that much level, sir. Whatever you are seeing 2014 means you will see same in 2012, 28, 2008, 2008 R2, you will see same only. Okay. What is the difference, major difference Microsoft made means from 2016 only Microsoft changes. What changes he made? First he separated Management Studio. Next he separated reporting services. What is reporting services? Yeah, reporting services. Reporting services. He made reporting services. Then he added some features. That's it, sir. I don't know what's is there any confuse here? Very simple. Actually, these are all part of regular installation only, but this has been separated now. If you want to install reporting service, you need to go separately. You need to go for separate installation. That's it.
Clear.
Got it? No? Yes?
Got it. Clear.
Everyone. So only one S I'm getting. Everyone clear?
Yes.
It has been separated. That's it, sir. Separated. You need to go for separate installation. That's it. Now,
Yeah.
one more thing, sir, you need to remember. Okay? Yeah. We'll go for step by step. Now, see, as I told you, okay, as I told you, database engine is very important. Replication is very important. Data quality service is very important. Data quality client tool connectivity, integration service is very important. Client tool backend, client tool SDK, SQL, these are all very important, sir. That is not making any harm. Okay, except missile level language analysis service, full text catalog, polybase, you can select all the features. That is not making any harm. Then you will ask one question, Subbu, what is these features? At least what is these features? Means to understand this means, okay, see, sir. Okay, client tool connectivity, client tool backend, client tool SDK, SQL client tool connectivity SDK. These are all backend tools which are helping a lot for us. What do you mean by helping, Subbu? See, client tool connectivity, this client tool includes components for communication between client and server. See, SSMS is one client. SQL is a server. Okay, SSMS is our client. SQL is a server. When you are making a communication between your client and server, these client tool connectivities are helping a lot. Like DB libraries, OLDB drivers, OLAP for OLAP, OLDB drivers, ODBC drivers, ADODB drivers, ADOMD plus drivers, like .NET drivers, ADO.NET, ADOMD.NET. So these are .NETs. Okay, .NET drivers, Java drivers, Oracle drivers. So when you are making connectivity to the SQL Server, in the background, knowingly, unknowingly, this client tool connectivity is working, sir, for us. In the knowingly, unknowingly, this client tool connectivity is helping a lot. So client tools connectivity are helping to make the interaction between your client and server. Like same client tool backend compatibilities. So client tool backend compatibles include, see, what is this? I'm still confusing, Super. What is this ADO? Again, son, SQL in the sense, don't think only SQL point of view. You know Java, you know .NET, you know Python, you know R. Different languages are there. How you will make interact with our SQL? All this. It can be .NET, it can be some other. How it will interact? Somewhere, somehow, the drivers are helping a lot. See, take your laptop. You know, if a graphical card, right? Every laptop is having graphical card. So to work with that graphical card, you need to install the graphical drivers, right? Agree, not agree? Everyone, say yes or no. It's a
Yeah.
very simple.
Yes.
Like same,
Yes.
sir. Like same. If you wanted to work with .NET, Java, Python, or any other languages, you need their respective drivers. So you install Java drivers. You install if you go here, okay. I need to install the Java drivers. Okay, I got a chance to install the Java drivers. Now what? Okay, Java drivers. Okay, Java. Okay, sorry, drivers. Download. So I will download the Java drivers and I will install the Java drivers. Okay, I want .NET drivers. Okay, .NET. Oracle drivers. So for example, or Oracle drivers. So I need to install Oracle drivers. Okay, I will go to here and I will start downloading the Oracle drivers. So if you want to make the communication with the external resources, definitely you need a drivers. So when you are working with those kind of drivers, okay, and when you are making the communication between your client and server, these tools are working a lot in the background, sir. Okay, is it understandable now, everyone? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes. One
Yes.
more here, sir. There is a concept called SDK tools. Okay, there is a concept called SDK. SDK, Software Development Kit. SDK stands for Software Development Kit, especially for SSIS packages, SSRS, analysis services. Okay, analysis like reporting services, analysis services, integration services. They will use the SDK tool. Like we are using SSMS as a tool, right, sir, to connect to the SQL Server. To connect to the SQL Server, we are using SSMS. See, to connect to the SQL, we are using SSMS, sir. Like say, if they wanted to work, they wanted to create a project, they wanted to deploy the packages, cubes, reports, they will use this tool as a mediator. Okay, like SSMS is our tool. Like same integration service, reporting service, analysis people, they will use this tool, SDK, Software Development Kit tool. So when you are specially working with SDK tools, okay, this, okay, client tool SDK, client SQL client communication SDK is working background, sir, for us. For us. I hope you understanding, everyone. No? Yes? I hope you are getting my point. When you are
Yes.
specially working with the SDKs, knowingly, unknowingly, these client tool SDKs, client tool SDKs, client SQL client tool connectivity, client tool SDKs are working in the background. In the background. In the foreground, you are not doing anything, sir. You just install the SQL Server. But in the background, Microsoft is doing many things. Out of this, these are all very important. These are all very important, sir, which are helping a lot in the background for us. And SQL client connectivity SDK, SQL distributed management, okay, DMO. There are many things which are working a lot, in the background. Will I need to remember all this, Subbu? Means I will tell yes. Nowadays, after COVID, how they're asking question is we can't expect, sir. That's the problem now. Okay, they wanted to test core SQL. They don't want to go for high level when they're tracking when they're taking the interviews. That time they will focus this questions only. That time they will focus these questions. Okay, what do you mean by client connectivity? What do you mean by SDK? And you are having one question called data quality client, data quality service. What is this? What is this? Means in the background, these tools are helping to validate your data, to do cleanups. There are lots of if you wanted to understand in depth, okay, you need to understand about the dumps, SQL dumps. Okay, SQL Server will generate the dumps if something is happening in the background. Okay, SQL Server will generate some dumps in the background if something happened to SQL. For example, you install some DLLs which are not compatible to SQL Server, and you loaded some data which are not compatible to SQL Server. See, you loaded some data which is not compatible to SQL Server. You loaded the data which is not compatible. That time, this data quality service, this data quality service, data quality services, data quality clients, these are validating your data in the background. Okay, what will happen means that will create the dumps in the background. Okay, if SQL Server will create the dump in the background, SQL Server will behave little differently. Okay, maybe SQL will goes down, SQL will restart, SQL will do failovers. SQL Server will behave differently when dumps will generate. When the dump will generate, maybe if you install some third-party tools which are not compatible to SQL Server, maybe you loaded some data which is not compatible to SQL Server. If something you done that is not compatible to SQL Server will generate the dumps, and SQL Server will behave differently. Okay, will it troubleshoot dumps? No, sir. You can't troubleshoot the dumps. You need. I will tell you what sort of dumps will generate, like SSN dumps, SOSQL dumps, memory dumps, access violation dumps. SQL Server will generate 4 different types of dumps. Can it troubleshoot, Subbu? No, you can't troubleshoot, sir, because we don't have third-party tools to troubleshoot. You need to go to the Microsoft where they're holding the tools. They will take this dump file and they will load into the tool. That tool will provide the details. Why your SQL Server shut down, why your SQL Server generate this dump, why the failure happened. Okay, they knows everyone because they will read the stack. They will read the damn stack. You can't read it, sir. I hope you are understanding what I want to convey. All these are working background to make your SQL to run healthy. Either it can be DLLs, EXEs, or it can be data also, whatever you are loading. So Microsoft is seeing you in the background in the form of these services. Now I hope you understood, sir, everyone. Still you are having questions? No?
Mhm.
Yes?
Yes, Subbu. So
Yes.
we can't troubleshoot, right?
Forget about dumps or don't think
Okay,
dumps, okay? No.
okay, okay.
It will divert our concept. What
Okay.
you wanted to understand, Microsoft is looking you. Correct? Yes, no.
Yes, yes.
That's it, sir. Only you should understand what is this all features Subbu. What is this all data quality service, data quality clients, what is this client connectivities means? Background, Microsoft is seeing many things, sir. Either it can be connectivity, either it can be DLLs, either it can be data load. Okay, Microsoft is looking you in the background in the form of different services. In a single line, that is what, sir, I wanted to deliver. No? Yes? Everyone?
Client tool backward compatibility it has to do with the version or what?
See, some of the tools, okay, some of the tools still they are running with the little backward compatibility, sir. Okay. So to fulfill that backward compatibility is also Microsoft. But now when you are installing 2022, okay, if you go for 2022, where I kept sir 2022, see, you won't see all this stuff. Microsoft simplified. Rather rather than confusing you, Microsoft integrated everything in the background. I hope you
Okay.
understand. See, to train, it confuses lots, sir. Okay, because you are in learning phase. You are in learning phase. Okay, whenever you see, what is this? What many services? What I need to remember? What I need to. So that's the reason maybe Microsoft thought that okay, let's integrate everything in the background. You no need to worry. Just install SQL Server. Just go for. Yep. No. Yes.
Yes.
So knowingly, Microsoft checking everything, sir, in the background, including your libraries, your DLLs, your drivers, your data, whatever data you are loading, everything is Microsoft looking, sir, in the form of these services. So these services are helping a lot for us. So we are just yes.
If you select everything on the features and you run them, all of them, even the ones that you're not going to use, is it going to take up a lot um, of resources from you?
Sorry, ma'am. Can you please repeat?
So remember we said for the features, you only need to select a few, the ones that you're going to need or the ones that the client will need. So I'm saying if you select everything, you select the data quality, the scale out master, the everything that is there, is it going to take up a lot of resources from your side?
No, no, ma'am. No. Okay. But if you wanted to install this mission level language, you need the drivers, ma'am. Again, you need to install the Java drivers. It will overload us basically. Okay. If you wanted to install the Polybase, you need the Java drivers. So you need to install the Java drivers. If you're not selecting these two, you are good to go for install. Okay. Nothing. You don't need anything. You need only .NET framework. If you're running .NET framework, you are good to install, ma'am. Okay. But if you want to install the missile level language, Polybase, then definitely we need external drivers that you need to install. I hope you understand, ma'am. So until you use it, it won't consume, ma'am. Until you use it, you won't consume. But if you're not using, why we need to install, ma'am? That's what our question. What are the major three services I told you? One is integration service. One is reporting service. One is analysis service. These three tools are very important. Okay. But I am telling when you are installing database engine, install integration service, ma'am. Okay. Install integration service. But these two, when they're asking, install it, otherwise no. Apart from this, machine level language, Polybase also will be considered. Full text you can install it, ma'am. That is not making any harm. Okay, full text also you can install. That is not making harm. But machine level language, Polybase, reporting service, analysis service, if they are highlighting, install. Otherwise, no need, ma'am. Got it, ma'am?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, thanks, ma'am. Sharath, you were asking anything? You raise your hand.
Yes, Subbu. Just one question on top of my mind. Um, as you mentioned, this SQL client connectivity SDK. So if we are installing integration service, so this SDK is also compulsory needed, right? Because anyhow it is using drivers.
No, ma'am. No,
So
sir. No, sir. No, it's not mandatory because they are using nowadays. They are using Visual Studio. I will tell you
yeah,
both.
yeah,
I will
but
tell you
if
both.
Visual Studio, if they're using some data source like Excel or some SQL Server or some Oracle, then they need to drivers to connect with that source, right?
See, now what Microsoft is making means everything is integrating to the Visual Studio, sir. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Visual Studio. So really, do I need SDK? Many people won't use the SDK, sir. They will use the Visual Studio to do many things. But again, foreground, background. Okay, foreground, background. You should understand how to install SDK, how to install Visual Studio. We are not doing anything like creating the projects, all this stuff. Okay, we are not doing anything. But as a DBA, what they are doing, see how they are designing the packages, how they are designing the reports. If you understand that also, well and good. Again, that's not a wrong. But if you are working with the Visual Studio, if you are working with the software development kit, these tools are helping in the background, sir. That's what I hope. That's what I'm conveying to you. Background. What Microsoft is doing means Microsoft is looking what data you are loading, what libraries you are installing on the DB server. See, on the DB server, what libraries you are installing. It can be Java, it can be Oracle, it can be something else. What libraries you are installing, whether these libraries are compatible to the DB server or not. This is what Microsoft is looking in the background, sir. And if something you violated, SQL Server will generate the dumps. Shut
Yeah, yeah, stack dumped, right?
Yes, dumps.
Okay.
Dumps, sir.
Yeah.
Stack is internally. See,
Okay. Okay.
dumps like SQL dump, access
Mm-hmm.
violation dump, memory dump. Okay, and there is one more dump, sir. I'm not recalling the name. A long
Okay.
back, I work with the dumps. 4 dumps it will generate. I will tell you when I'm telling about the
Oh,
dumps.
okay. So,
Okay.
added to this point, the you mentioned that Visual Studio. So, that Visual Studio we need to install separately.
Uh yes,
Okay.
yes,
Okay. Because
yes.
previously it is something like SQL data tool when I used, but
See
currently it is.
what data tool you are installing. When we go for traditional, see, Visual Studio mostly we won't install, sir. Mostly
Mhm.
in overall my journey, 1 or 2 times only I install the SDKs because uh, developers knows everything. What Visual Studio they need to install because they will purchase the Visual Studio subscriptions.
Mhm.
Visual Studio is also having the subscription like a license, like a licenser. They will know what license they purchase for Visual Studio and they will install that Visual Studio with the help of Windows team. They won't come to the DBS mostly, but
Oh, oh.
0.5% they may reach to the DBS also. Okay,
Mhm.
why we need miss that one? We wanted to discuss that one as well, Sharad. So I will show you how to install
Yeah,
Visual
because
Studio.
why I'm asking means
No, it's good. I'm
yeah,
telling that
I'm
always.
working in a mid-size company, so they are asking me to download and install Visual Studio as well.
I will show you, sir. No,
Yeah.
that's what I am myself in saying. You will get 0.5%. You will get a chance. But we don't want to miss that chance also, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I hope you understand everyone, sir. No? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay, good, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, everyone. Okay, good question, good interaction. So, ma'am, for you, sir, for us, everyone, measure level language, polybase, analysis service, reporting service. If they're asking, install. Otherwise, nothing, sir. Select everything. It's not a wrong. And I told you, right? Go for what is the drive in my laptop, sir? Okay. Bear with me for till September. I think I'm going to purchase a new laptop. So this laptop is not sufficient for me. I'm purchasing a new laptop with higher RAM, higher storage. So I'm purchasing with 32 GB of RAM and 1.5 terabytes of storage. Because storage is not sufficient for me. That's the problem. Okay, I'm having D drive. Okay, let's go for D drive, sir. Okay, I won't install, but I will show you everything. Okay, I told you, right? Don't keep binary files in C drive, sir. Keep binary files in E drive. Dedicatedly create a separate drive for binary files. Keep there. That is a one best practice. Then click on next. Okay, I told you you can create two types of instance. One is the default instance. Okay, one is the named instance. In my laptop, there is no default instance. See, everyone able to see? In my laptop, there is no default instance. Okay, that's the reason I'm going for default instance. If you see any default instance, definitely you should go for the named instance, and you need to provide the name like SQL 2019 dev. Okay, dev. Any name, sir, but don't provide your name, please. Okay, dev, test, prod, pre-prod. Provide some environment names so you can easily adapt that technology terminologies. Okay, I'm going for the default instance. Then click on next. Okay, now see, when you select analysis service, integration service, it will ask you to go for provide the service account. I am going for local account only, sir. I'm just going for local account. I will show you how to change the service account. Okay, later on once you install the SQL Server. Okay, make it as automatic. Agent I'm making automatic. Engine is also automatic. Analysis service very important. Integration service very important. Data distribution relay, data distribution control. We'll talk later on, sir. Okay, I told you, right? We are having a future session. Okay. Okay. I created a separate playlist, sir, here. SQL Lab Features. Okay. Currently I done only one session. But going forward, I will also do here 30 sessions. Here I will do 30 sessions. Here I will make 17 more sessions. Totally you will get 60 more sessions, sir. Apart from here 120, 100. You will get totally you will get almost 200, 170, 180 sessions. You will get it, sir, overall. Okay. Here I will talk about this distribution relay. What do you mean by distribution relay client distribution relay control? As of now, no need to worry, ma'am. No need to worry, sir. Focus on agent, focus on engine. These are the two components. You no need to focus anything because I selected everything. You are getting everything, sir. Otherwise, if I don't want all this stuff, you won't get all this stuff. No worries. Let it be run the default accounts only. All are running with the default accounts. And there is a concept called IFI, Instance File Installation. When you are installing SQL Server, choose this option, sir. This is not a bad, this is a very good. It will improve the performance. Okay. What it will improve? We will talk in separate sessions, sir. Okay. Collation, very, 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 very important. If they are mentioning the collation, provide that collation. If not, go for default collation, sir. You can customize here. You can choose what collation they are expecting. Choose that collation. If not, go for default collation. Okay, please. This is very important. Very, very important. Click on. I'm going for. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I'm going for local account only, sir. I'm going for all our local account. I will show you how to change the service account later. Click on install. Now, this window is very important, sir. Okay. Yesterday I provided the screenshot, right? Okay. See, in 2014, oh, I not took the screenshot of 2014 here. Okay. Hey, what is this screenshot? Oh my God. Yeah, I missed three images. Oh shit. I missed two images, sir. I'm sorry. Okay. When you are installing SQL Server 2016, this window has been added, sir. In 2014, you will see server configuration, data directory, file string. Okay. I'm sorry. Until 2014, you will see only three windows. One is server configuration, data directory, file string. Only three windows, sir. Only three windows. But from 2016, you will see this window. 2016, this window has been added. Okay, please remember, this window has been added from 2016. These two windows has been added from 2019. Okay, so please keep a remember. These two images I missed, sir. I'm sorry. Okay, these two also you need to remember. In 2016, SSMS has been separated and they added a new window called TempDB. You need to tell only these two things, sir. In 2016, SSMS has been separated and TempDB has been added. In 2017, reporting services also separated. Okay, reporting services has been separated. And what they done? They added the new features here. What features? Missile level language. They added the missile level language polybase in 2017. 2019, Microsoft added maxdrop memory. This is the two windows Microsoft added in the 2019. In the 2019, this is the two changes we done. So these are the 3 points you need to remember. These are the 3 points you need to remember. And finally, one more point, sir, you need to remember. In 2022, client tool SDKs, everything has been integrated internally. You won't see in the shared features. Everything inbuilt. Microsoft done inbuilt. So you don't need to worry about all the stuff. Microsoft inbuilt client tool, SDKs, all the stuff. That is what. Only 5 points you need to remember, sir. If they are asking what is the difference, you will notice while you are installing SQL Server. If someone is asking me, I will tell when we compare with from 2014 to 2016, SSMS has been separated, TempDB window has been added. 2017, reporting services has been separated and message level language polybase has been added. 2019, okay, maxdrop memory has been added. 2022, all our client tool SDKs, distribution relay controllers, everything has been integrated to shared features. Integrated internally. We no need to select anything. So if you tell these 5 points, well and good, sir. Nothing, you no need to remember all the stuff. Got it? Everyone?
Yes, these points, could you please send any document? Then.
Oh, yeah, definitely, sir. I will add these points. Okay. Yeah, I will share these points. Maybe it will help for me also to remember. Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Like that, in 2025 also they recently did some changes, right? Like SSRS, they are removed from 2025 and they are integrated Microsoft Power BI. Is
Sir,
there some other
my
features as well?
my plan is especially my internally my plan is 2022 2025 I will take two separate sessions, sir. Shortly, very
Okay.
shortly. I am planning. There you will get all that information, Sharad. Okay. 2 sessions. 2022
Okay.
2025 because 2022 Microsoft done lot many things in the background. In the foreground you are not seeing, in the front end you are not seeing. In the background Microsoft done lot many things. Like same 20 or 25 also, Microsoft done lot many things. Okay, I already tested everything, but I need to make a video, sir. Okay, I tested. I already downloaded. I tested everything, but I need to make a video. Mostly, in 1 or 2 weeks you will get it. Okay, in 1 or 2 weeks you will get it, sir. That also. Yeah, good. I will tell you that points. That's what I told you, right? In our SQL lab features, you will get 30 sessions here. Okay. By completion your batch, you will get like 15 to 20. You will get it here. Okay, and keep on continuing, sir. Whole this 2025, I will make here almost 50 to 60, 50 to 70 sessions. Okay, everyone. I hope you got my point, right? I will make you here 50 to 60 sessions. That's everything. I will train you in the live only. I am saying that your batch will complete in 2025. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Go on, sir. Now, this window is very important, very crucial role it will play in real world, sir. Okay, especially this Windows is very important. This window. As of now, don't need to think about what is authentication mode, all the stuff, sir. Go for default, go for Windows authentication only as of now. When I'm talking about security, I will talk about more about authentication. And here, I told you right yesterday, always here you need to grant only to the DBA groups. Okay, DBA groups. Subbu, I am installing in my local laptop. There is no group. What I need to do is just click on add current user, sir. Okay. If you open CMD, if you search for CMD command line, okay, who am I? This is my login name, sir. URSSU. This is my login name, right? I will get the same here. Okay, I will get the same here. If I want to add, I can add also, sir. Okay, because I created login, I can add different login also. Okay, I can add different login also.
Sabu,
Yes.
if we could have created
I will show you, sir.
local
Hold on.
users,
No, that's what.
local user.
Just wait for 5 minutes. I will explain that concept, sir. Okay. Just hold for 5 minutes. I will explain how to create a local user, how to create a local group. Okay. In a short time, I will explain. As of now, many people don't know how to create a local user, how to create a local group, right? Just to click on add current user. Okay. Click on add current user. That's it. You no need to do anything, sir, here. Okay. You no need to do anything here. Click on add current user and go to the data directories. As I told you yesterday also, data root directories need to go for binary location. Okay. Wherever you are keeping binary location, sir. Binary location. This location only go for, sir. Okay. This location. Wherever you are going, that location you need to go. Okay. And rest user databases need to go for separate drive. Log files need to go for separate drive. Backups need to go for separate drive. In real world, user database files need to go for separate drive. Log files need to go for separate drive. Backups need to go for separate drive. And data root directories need to go for binary location. Before that, you selected the binary location, right? When you are selecting the features, same location go for data root directories also. And someone is asking, what is the size I need to go for data root directory? Means 20 to 25 GB is fine, sir, because it contains only master, model, MSDB. Data root directory contain only master, model, MSDB. Only 3 databases, sir. Only 3 databases. Because TempDB you are going for separate drive. Data files you are going for separate drive. Log files you are going for user database you are going for separate drive. User log files you are going for separate drive. Backups, you are going for separate drive. So you no need much space for the binary drive, sir. Binary drive. Okay, 20 to 25 GB is fine. 20 to 25 GB is fine, sir. But sometimes it need little more also. When it need more space, we'll talk in the upcoming classes. Okay, I hope you understand this one, everyone. Here you are going for single drive only when you are installing SQL Server on your local laptops. But in real world, you will go for different drives. Different drives. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
TempDB, I told you, right, you need to go for separate drive. Okay, that is a one best practice. What is this number of files, Subbu, initial size, Subbu, autogrowth, Subbu? When you are installing SQL Server, don't look about this, sir. Just click on next. You no need to do anything here. You no need to do anything here when you are installing on your local laptop. Okay, because I will take a separate session for TempDB for 3 days. Okay, almost you are getting 6 to 7 hours only on TempDB. Okay, memory we are spending for 6 to 7 hours. Okay, max drop we are spending for 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours we are spending. So file stream you will get a separate session. So each and every window you are getting a separate classes in the future. So you no need to worry anything as of now. Okay, that time you can understand easily. Oh, what is that memory? What is that minimum memory? What is the maximum memory? What is the recommended memory? Okay, what is the max drop? What is TempDB? Everything will talk, sir. Okay, don't think now when you are installing SQL Server because you are in learning phase. Either you are experienced people, non-experienced people. Okay, think that I need to first install a SQL Server. Don't think about all these components. I will talk when we are discussing respect to concept. Okay, that's it, sir. Please be careful. Data root directories need to go for binary file disk if you are having separate drive for binary files. Otherwise, keep in a user data directory only, sir. These two need to be same directory. Log need to be separate directory. Backups, log you can keep one directory in real world if you want, if you don't have too many disks. This, okay, these two you can keep one directory acceptable. These two you can keep one directory acceptable. TempDB need to be separate drive. Means minimum you need 3 separate drive apart from SQL. Apart from SQL, you need 3 different drives. 3 different drives. Okay, like a D drive, E drive, F drive. Okay, everyone, is it clear? If you are having this separate drive, 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 oh my god, well and good. Now you are super good. Means total 5 disks we are expecting, greater than or equal to 5 disks we are expecting. 3 disks is also fine. Okay, 3 disks is also fine. 1 disk is also fine, sir. So someone may tell that, Subbu, I don't have even in my laptop, I'm having only 1 drive. I don't have D drive also. Can I install SQL Server? Yes, sir. You can install everything on C drive only. The people who don't have much storage on your laptop, you have only 1 drive, Subbu. Can I install SQL Server? Yes, sir. You no need to select anything here. Let it be C drive only. Install C drive only. Okay, install everything on C drive only. So 2 disks is also fine, 3 disks also fine, 5 disks also fine, 6 disks also fine, 7 disks also fine, 10 disks also fine. 1 disk is also fine. Minimum 1 disk, maximum that is up to user. Okay, got it, everyone? Now I hope you got clarity, right? So I am having only 1 disk to book. Can I install SQL Server? Yes, sir. You can go and install SQL Server. Everything you can keep on that drive only, because that is just for your lab purpose, sir. That is just for your lab. You are practicing. You don't need to think all the stuff. You already remember, oh, Subbu told that data files need to go for OneDrive, log files need to go for OneDrive, backups need to go for OneDrive, tempdb need to go for OneDrive, data root directory need to go for OneDrive. You already remember that one, but your infrastructure don't have storage. What I need to do, Subbu? Go everything on single drive only. Okay? Not okay? Okay, not okay. Everyone? Good, sir. So don't think about tempdb, don't think about maxdrop, don't think about memory, file stream, all this stuff, sir. There is a dedicated session where I will talk in depth about all, and you will get lot of materials, lots of material, lots of URLs. You will get a massive, sir, all the stuff. Okay. Then click on next. Now, if you are installing, okay, forget about analysis service. I told you, right? There will be dedicated session. Analysis service, I will spend 2 days, sir. 2 sessions I will take. Very good, healthy sessions I will take. Two sessions. That time I will talk about analysis service. As of now, don't think about analysis service. Just click on add user and just click on next. Don't think anything about analysis service. Okay. Again, I'm repeating, don't think anything about analysis service. I will take a separate session for analysis service. Just click on next. Okay. Integration service also, don't think anything. Just click on next. Just click on next. Don't think anything about all this stuff. Just click on add user, add user. Just click on next, next, next. Okay. Just click on next, next. Then what about this Subumis? I will take a dedicated session, sir. That time you will understand all the concepts. Click on next. Click on next. Now, whatever the features, whatever the things you selected, everything you are seeing at one shot in this config file. Okay, in this config file, it is creating, sir. Now, when you click on install, now it will start installing. I am not installing here, sir, because in my local laptop, I'm having already too many instances. Okay, no worries. Let's click on install. Okay, now it is installing. Okay, is it easy, everyone? No? Yes?
Yes.
Any confusions are here? When you are installing your when you are installing SQL on your laptop, is there any confuse? No, right? Everyone, now you can go and install SQL Server, sir. So
Yes.
go for next. Don't select anything, sir. Let it be go for single drive. Just know how to install SQL Server. Later on, I will show you real world SQL installation. You will become strong, sir. Okay, because you need to know how to create the disk, how to do the partitions, how to create the SanDisk. Everything you should know, sir. Okay. Until that, you won't become strong. So as of now, how to install SQL Server on your local laptop. Okay, now done. Now I'm installing SQL Server, well and good, sir. Now, as a DBA, you will get one doubt. What you will get it? Subbu, I am installing SQL Server. Okay. If my SQL installation got failed, if my SQL installation will got failed, how you will troubleshoot? Correct? Everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
That's the biggest thing. Okay. If your SQL installation got failed, what you will do? Okay. So first and foremost, forget about troubleshoot, sir. You're not worrying about troubleshoot. What you need to worry, where I need to see the log, why my SQL got failed. Correct? Yes or no? Everyone. Everyone, forget about troubleshoot. We are not worrying about troubleshoot. What you need to know, if my SQL installation got failed, where I can see the log, okay, to get the reason why my SQL got failed. Why my SQL got failed. That is what first thing you should get an idea, sir. Okay, that is the first thing you should get an idea. Now, whenever you install a SQL Server, you will specify the file location, right, where you install. So I went for D drive. I created a folder and I installed SQL Server here. Okay, SQL Server here. Now, hold on, sir. Okay, I'm having enough space only. Yeah. Now, for example, I am installing SQL Server 2019. Okay, SQL Server 2019. Now, under the bin folder, oh, not bin. Oh, sorry. Hold on. So I need to go to the C drive, go to the program files, go to Microsoft SQL Server. Which version I install? Okay, which version I install? 2019, sir. Okay, see this when you go to the C drive, you will see when you go to the C drive program files, Microsoft SQL Server, you will see 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 160, 150, 160. What is this means? I can say that these are all our compatibility levels, SQL Server compatibility. Okay, SQL Server compatibility. What do you mean by compatibility? How that compatibility is working? We'll talk in the performance tuning, sir. Okay, so whenever you see 80, that is SQL 2000, 90, 2005. Okay, 100, 2008, and 2008 R2. 2008 R2, both having 100 only, sir. Either you install 2008, you install 2008 R2, both will get 100 only compatibility. 101, 110, 2012. Okay, 2014, 2016, 2017, 2019, 2022, and 170 will go for 2025. This is our compatibility level. Okay. As of now, only think about compatibility, sir. There is a concept called compatibility level, and there is a unique value provided by Microsoft: 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. How it is working in the background, we will talk, sir, when we are discussing query tuning. When we especially go for performance level, we'll talk about the compatibility level a lot. Now you know 80 belongs to 2000, 90 belongs to 2005, 100 belongs to 2008 and 2008 R2, 110 belongs to 14, 120 belongs to 16, 140 belongs to 17, 150 belongs to 2022, 150 belongs to 2019, 160 belongs to 2022, 170 belongs to 2025. Now you know which version you are installing, right? 2019. Let me ask you a question. What is the compatibility for 2019, sir? 150, right? 150, right, everyone? Yes. So when you open 150, there is a folder called Setup Bootstrap. When you open Setup Bootstrap, there is a folder called Log. Under the log, there will be file created, summary.txt. So whenever your SQL installation got failed, the first file you need to check is summary.txt, which will be available in the Setup Bootstrap. Okay, whenever your SQL installation got failed, what is the first file you need to check is summary.txt, which will be in the Setup Bootstrap. So if someone is asking what you need to answer, sir, under the binary file, under the binary location, under Setup Bootstrap, under the log, there will be summary.txt, where we need to open summary.txt and you need to read this file. Sir. In case your SQL, installation got failed, this is the file you need to check it. It will write everything why your installation got failed. I think it got failed. See, analysis services failed, sir. Or luckily analysis services failed. Okay. Rest everything got success. Luckily, analysis service got failed. We'll see why that analysis services got failed. Okay, in a while. Now see here also it will display. Here also it will display summary.txt. Summary.txt means if my installation got failed, okay, where I will check, sir? Under binary location, setup bootstrap, log, summary.txt. This is the first location I will see why my SQL installation got failed. Is it clear, everyone? No? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next thing, sir. Okay. You can click on date modified, sir. Go for latest date. Okay. Today is 7th, right? Today is 5th. Sorry. Today is 5th, right? Go for, and there are subfolders. See, today it created 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It created 4 folders, right? Go to this folder. Okay. You will find one more file called detail.txt. You will find one more file called detail.txt. Under the same log folder, there are under the same log folder, there are subfolders will be created. Subfolders will be created where we will find detail.txt. Where we will find detail.txt. Okay, detail.txt. Under this file, you will get the information why my SQL installation got failed. This is second location. Okay, first location is summary.txt. Second location is detail.txt. Sometimes when you open this file, you won't see detail.txt. When you open this one, you won't see here. Here also you will find detail.txt, but with less information. But when you go for this detail.txt, you will see massive information. Okay, that's the reason I told you. Okay, click on date modified. You will get the recent created files in the top. That folder you need to go. What is the latest log folder it created? That latest log folder you need to go and open the detail.txt so that you will get complete information. You will get a complete information. Why your SQL installation got failed. Okay? Why your SQL installation got failed. Will I need to read this one? Of course you need to read, sir. Okay?
How to read it?
I will tell you. I will tell you. Okay? You need to read it, sir. Okay, there is no other choice. Either you, either Subbu, either someone, anyone, ma'am. Definitely, you need to read it. Okay, that second thing. Next, one more. Okay, one more. Okay, so when you open the temp, sir, if you open the run command, okay, if you go to the run and if you type the temp, okay, like a percentage temp, okay, click on enter. So click on enter. See, you will find the SQL setup.log, SQL setup local.log, SQL. So click on date modified, sir. Okay, click on date modified. You will see this is the SQL setup _1.log. Are you able to see? Open this file. Okay, open this file. You will find some info, not that much massive information in the temp folders. Okay, but at least you will find some log. Here also, what I wanted to convey is, here also it will write some information. Okay, here also it will write some information. So these are the 3 different locations majorly we will focus when we are troubleshooting why my SQL installation got failed. Is it clear? First point, everyone. How to troubleshoot? We'll go, sir. We'll see later. Not later means we'll see. But you should first collect the logs, right? That is very important. So if someone is asking if your SQL installation got failed, how you will troubleshoot means first, as a Subbu, what I will tell means first I will go to the binary file location. Okay, then go to the setup bootstrap, go to the log. First, I will open summary.txt. Then I will click on date modified, find the recent log folder, then open detail.txt and go to the temp folder, find the SQL setup.log folder. These are the three different files I will open. Then I will start reading the logs. Then I will troubleshoot why my installation got failed. Is it clear, everyone? No? Yes.
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 Okay. Now, summary.txt is very easy, sir. Not that much massive information. It is displaying the final result is failed. See the below. Okay. And it is showing that the product, instance ID, all the stuff. Okay. If you scroll down. Okay, down. Or you can do one thing, sir. Very simple. Click here. Click on Control F and search for failed. Okay, failed. Okay. The main problem here is my analysis service got failed. Okay. The main problem is my analysis service got failed. I don't know why it got failed. Okay, an error occurred during the setup process for the future. Use the following information. Okay, and it is also pointing a log. It is also pointing a log here, sir. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's copy this one. Okay, open the command prompt, sir. CMD. Open the command prompt. Okay, notepad, and paste it. Enter it. It will open the file, sir. Okay, it will open the file. See, it will open the file. Let's see anything I'm able to see here. Okay, very simple shortcut. Whatever the path it is showing, right? It is a log only. Open the command prompt, type the notepad, and just pass the location. Just click on enter. It will open the notepad. So you no need to go to the C program files, Microsoft. That's a kind of basic engineer will do. You are a little smarter, okay? So I can open the file. Let's see what it is displaying here. Okay, client side UI based on okay, come on. MSA instance you already installed. Visible policies, HK local mission. Okay. Not that much information it is written here. Just open configuration manager in my laptop. So mostly 90% you won't face any errors or in real world. Okay. Then why Subbu in your laptop you are facing means we are testing, right? We done many things. So I will touch with the registries, blah 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 blah. Something. Analysis service. Oh, there is no analysis service. Okay, then why it is not installed then? And it is not provided any good information here. Okay, no worries. Let's go to the summary.txt. It is also not providing, but it is providing one link. Let's copy that link. Okay, see, I am not troubleshooting like experienced people, sir. Been you are learning first time how you will troubleshoot, same how I am doing. I got some link I'm opening here. Is there anything I got information here? Nothing. Okay, nothing. I got any information here. Okay, and it is not displayed anything here. Why my service got failed? Okay, why my service got failed? Now, finally, I should rely on the detail.txt. Okay, finally, I should rely on the detail.txt. Which service it got? Analysis service, right? Okay. See, when you open detail.txt, you will see this massive information. Okay, then definitely you'll get panic. Okay, how to read this Subbu? Very simple, sir. Some of the shortcuts. I'm not saying it's a very simple, but some of the shortcuts I want to deliver. So start reading from bottom, sir. Error log. Always when you open detail.txt, start reading from bottom. Okay. What I need to read here, Subbu. Okay, means I will tell you some shortcuts like a find off. Okay, like for example, Control F or not. Okay, Control F. Okay, failed. You will see any failed information. So rules without not evaluating due to following failed restrictions. Okay, input properties. Nothing. It is not saying anything. Also, just failed. Okay, okay. Nothing, sir. It's commonly displaying. I hope it's not written anything. Yeah, somewhere it written. Okay. Failed when query buffer size. Attempting to get the account SID for NT services. Okay, something it written here. Failed when querying buffer size. Attempting to get the SPD NT authority. Okay, fine. Failed to buffer query. Again, same information, not much more. Okay, I'm not getting much information related to fail, but let's enter, sir. Okay. Not much. Anything related to analysis service it got fail? Standalone fail. No. Okay, not get any information much more. Let's remove the failed. Okay. Search for analysis only. Anyhow, analysis service got failed, right? Okay. Now think about MSAs 15 for product analysis service. Okay. SQL browser analysis service connectivity. Okay, fine. Analysis service. Okay. Not getting. Analysis service. There is a dependency if this feature is stated result and did not pass. It returns fields or true. Okay. Failed result. Condition is failed because feature. It's okay. Let's see, sir, anything. I will show you some examples also. Recently in my computer, I faced a lot of issues, different issues. Okay. I don't know what I done, but I faced a lot of issues. I captured many things. I'm not getting that much information. Field I search with analysis service also I search not that much information. Missing. Okay, search for missing. The files are different and some are missing here. Okay, missing. Okay. Center. Missing. Only two missings are there. One is the file difference. Okay. D program files Microsoft DLL.c. No. Yes, sir.
Subbu, just I observed that you open the file in Notepad, no, through command prompt. There is some information.
What, sir?
Means I may be wrong. Yeah, where is that? Yeah, here it is some mention, right? That for yeah, this already installed that specified instance
No,
dot
that's what, sir.
mst is
See,
already installed.
No. What I am showing is, assume you are first time opening, sir. Assume you are opening first time. You won't get much ideas, right? I hope you are understanding my what I want troubleshoot is. If you open the first time, you won't understand, sir. That is how I need to train you. Assume if you are opening first time, you don't know what I need to search, you don't know what I need to read. We don't know anything, sir. How you will search as a lateral means you don't know anything, you are opening, you are searching. That is what I'm showing.
Okay.
I hope everyone getting my point. I don't want to go for pinpoint there, sir. Okay, to show you, oh, this is the information I need to track, I need to grab, I need to do that one, I need to do this one. Assume you don't know anything. You open. When you open, you will see, oh, Subbu told that whenever SQL got failed, go to the detail.txt, go to the summary.txt. Okay. When I open the detail.txt, I got mad only. Okay. Whenever you see this one, you will get mad. Correct? Yes. So for that, what I am doing is that's the only one thing that I'm doing. Okay. Let's go for let's search. Okay. One second. Okay. Missing also I verified. Why missing, Subbu? Missing is very important, sir. Okay. See, failed first I told check. Okay. Failed. I told to check with the failed to verify is there any failed, is there any information you are getting under the failed. Currently, not that much detailed information you got it. Next thing I'm telling as a missing. So mostly your installation will get failed with the missing only, sir. Why means maybe Windows team is not properly installed SQL Server. You are having some missing DLLs, missing ESC files. Due to that, our SQL installation will also get failed. Okay. In Windows, when you specially go for Windows, there is a Windows C drive. Under the Windows, there is a directory called Windows. Under here, there is a called System32. Here, there are a lot of binaries, files, exe files will be there. Don't touch this one, sir. So what Windows team will do, right? Windows team will reboot, restart, sudden reboot, sudden shutdowns. Some files will be missed automatically. Due to that files are missing, our SQL Server installation will also get failed. This is one reason. One more reason is someone already installed a SQL Server. You already installed, in my case, sir, I'm telling, I already installed SQL Server many times, but maybe I not properly uninstall the SQL Server. When I'm uninstalling SQL Server, I not properly uninstall the SQL Server. Due to that, when I'm installing again, it is getting failed. In my case, that is right. That is the case. Earlier, I already installed the analysis service multiple times in my laptop. Maybe I not properly uninstalled. Maybe I am thinking that maybe I properly not uninstalled. Due to that, my installation is getting failed now. Correct? That is the second case. One is maybe properly Windows is not built. Due to that, that is the reason I search for failed first. Okay, why it got failed? One more is missing. That dependency DLLs, dependency files are missing in the System32. System32. Due to this, your installation got failed. Okay, your installation got failed, or you already installed SQL Server, you uninstalled SQL Server. When you are uninstalling, you not properly uninstall SQL Server, and again you are trying to install SQL Server, it is showing an errors. That is also one possibility. Or due to lack of permissions, okay, denied permissions. Due to lack of permissions also, your installation will get failed. Due to lack of permissions also, your installation will get failed. Okay, so what you wanted to search is failed, missing. Okay, failed, missing, denied, failed, missing, denied, and what service it got failed. Either it can be database engine, it can be analysis engine. No, you need to search with the same thing, sir. Analysis, or database engine means database or analysis or reporting. That is a first case. Okay, that is a one thing you will find it. Do you remember this is analysis service failed, right? Yes or no? This is your analysis service which got failed. Okay. Luckily, this is analysis service, sir, where my analysis service got installed. I forget where I selected the file location. Under the D, right? Program files, MS SQL. See, being analysis services got failed, wherever you install SQL Server, you provided the analysis service location also, sir. Go to that location. There is a folder called OLAP. Under the folder, currently nothing is there. Sometimes here it will write a log. Sometimes you will find a log. Okay. Currently, unfortunately, that log is also not generated. As of now, what you done, sir? You know how to install. You know how to open. You know how to install. You know how to open. But you don't know how to troubleshoot. Correct? Agree? Not agree? Everyone.
Agree.
Okay. So
Agree.
for you only, sir. See, on May 29th, okay, I prepared a couple of scenarios, okay, when I'm installing SQL Server, because I will play in my laptop. You won't play in your laptop, sir, but in my laptop, I played many things, right? I faced different errors, okay, like 5 different errors, and this is our 6th error. Okay, already 9:45 is done, sir. Can I go for Monday for troubleshoot? Everyone? Along with this analysis service, can I talk about these 5 scenarios? Then you will become strong.
Yes.
Okay, everyone?
Yes.
And that too, this is a Friday, Saturday. I don't want to spend more time. Is it okay, sir? Is it okay? Everyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So recently, sir, this is not only you, I will call everyone, sir. I wanted to tell this one to everyone. When I'm installing SQL Server on my laptop, I face different errors. I also got shocked. Why these many errors I'm getting in my laptop? Okay. But I thought, okay, interesting. Okay, fine. Then I troubleshooted and I installed SQL Server, sir. Whatever you are seeing on my laptop, okay, I troubleshooted and I installed. Okay. When you open the configuration manager, right? Okay. Whatever you are seeing, when I'm installing 2014, I got error. When I'm installing 2016, I got error. 2017, I not got error, sir. But when I'm installing 2016, 2017, 2014, I got multiple errors. So then I troubleshooted each and every error. Then I fixed it and I installed in my laptop to show you the TempDB contention troubleshoot. Okay, to explain the TempDB troubleshoot, I need to install all this, sir. When I'm installing, I got different errors. Then that's the reason I collected this one, which will help us a lot. Okay, maybe you won't face this kind of errors when you are installing on your local laptop. And I can tell you one thing, sir. Every troubleshoot is not easy. Okay, you won't trust me, sir. I can give you one simple example. I won't take more time. Okay, I'm not troubleshooting anything, but I will give you one example. I need to uninstall the SQL Server. Okay, I need to uninstall the SQL Server, not install. I need to uninstall the SQL Server. There is an analysis service, right? Okay, there is analysis service. When I'm uninstalling SQL Server from control panel, you will uninstall anything from the control panel, right? You will uninstall everything from the control panel. When I'm uninstalling SQL Server, my analysis service is coming back again within fraction of 2 seconds. I am uninstalling, it is coming back. I am uninstalling, it is coming back. Okay. When I'm uninstalling, it is coming back, sir. Again, within fraction of seconds, it is coming back. And literally, I don't know why. I got shocked. I'm uninstalling, right? Why it is coming back again within fraction of 5 seconds? 2 to 3 seconds, again it is displaying. Uninstalling, displaying, uninstalling, displaying. I worked for 4 to 5 hours with the registry keys. Okay? With the registry keys. REG edit. Don't touch the registry keys, sir. Again, if you're strong, touch the registry keys. If you're not strong, don't touch the registry keys. Okay? I worked for almost 4 to 5 hours. Then I install analysis service from my VM. What you done, Subbu? Then what I done means I right click here, click on find, click on SSAS analysis service, SQL Server Analysis Service. I click on find. I deleted each key, each registry key related to analysis service, because somewhere my registry is enabled here. Due to that, I am uninstalling. Okay, I need to go for each and every. Okay, analysis service no. Okay, analysis service no. Analysis service no. Analysis service no. Scroll down, scroll down. Okay, analysis service no. Scroll down. Analysis service no. Expand. Analysis service no. Then if yes, right click, delete. Right click, delete. So I went to for each and every session here. Okay, each and everything here. I went here, I went here, I went here, I went here, I went here. Then only I uninstalled the analysis service. Almost 4 to 5 hours I took to find. I searched with SSAS, I searched with AS analysis service. Then I removed each and every registry. Then I able to uninstall. So it's, I mean to say, it's not a easy sometimes to work with the troubleshoot, sir. You need to have little patience. Okay, please think that, oh, troubleshoot means on fly I will troubleshoot Subbu. No, sir. Whatever your experience will be, something you can know, you will troubleshoot easily. Something you don't know, it will take some time. Oh, Subbu knows everything. Someone knows everything. Who can good at troubleshooting? Everyone are same, but you need to follow the hierarchical pattern. What you are doing, what you are doing, where I need to go, where I need to find, how to troubleshoot. Okay, that's it. I don't want to take more time. Thank you. See you on Monday, sir. Okay, Monday we troubleshoot this analysis service. Why it is not installed in our VM? Okay, Monday we will install that one, and I will talk some other concept. Okay.
Subbu,
Yes.
just one request. Actually, if you are sharing any documents with respect to the any topic, can you please intimate in WhatsApp chat group, because Monday to Friday I am not available. I am depending on your recordings only.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, no, I just got one doubt. What is called a SQL socket?
What is that?
What is called SQL socket?
No, I'm not getting, sir. Sorry.
So I just got an issue here, but they show the log that SQL socket is down because our socket is down.
Oh, socket.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
socket means this network, sir. Ethernet. I think Ethernet. Many people will like call it as Ethernet. There will be Ethernet, right? Like when you open the network. Your
Okay.
adapter, network adapter is down, sir.
So, network adapter is down.
So we are going to look it, or network team is going to look it.
No, you need to involve network team. If you don't have access, sir, we won't do that thing. So you need to create a ticket to the Windows team. Tell saying that okay, we are getting error call,
Yeah.
socket is down. Will you please go and check?
They asked that the screen is not capturing the data, so data is not inserting in the database. So they asking in they show the logs that SQL socket is down. We have SSC and
You
PCC here. SSC is inserting the data and the PSCC is not inserting the data. So it shows that SQL socket is down.
you are able to access the SQL.
Yes, of course.
Oh, if you are able to access the SQL, there is nothing with the socket, all this stuff, sir. Then from where they are loading the data?
From
SSC
the
into
application, that's Avaya and SSC, the application Avaya.
from
Avaya.
the application tool, they are loading the
Application.
data.
Yes.
If can you run SP who is active to verify what and all process are running currently? Will you able to see that process? HP who
Currently,
is active.
I'm not in the
Harish.
shift. I mean, we are working on the desktop.
You are?
I'm working on the desktop, not on the laptop.
He's not in office.
Oh,
So
you are
Not
not
in
in.
office.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
See, if application is not, see, socket means, see, network. Technical will call it as a networks. Maybe the bridge between your application server to SQL server, maybe the networks are lagging or there is a communication has been broken. But if you are able to connect to the SQL server, you can go and verify what is happening on the SQL server currently, whether the
Okay.
connections are establishing to the SQL or not, by running
Okay.
SP who's active, by running SP who to, or 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 you can run Balamukund script, okay, in our GitHub repository. If
Okay.
you open our repository, okay, no, not this one. Sorry, this one. Okay, you can find what is happening on the SQL server, whether connections are getting or not. Okay,
Okay.
if not, you need to troubleshoot like why connections are not establishing, like checking the telnet, checking the ping, checking the port, checking the firewalls. Okay, then
Is
we'll
this
do
our
the.
issue or a network issue? I mean, I'm
No,
asking that
no.
this
If
is
your
our
SQL is
issue as
running,
a
no.
TBS.
If SQL is running, okay, then you need to verify
Okay.
why data is not loading. If SQL itself down, network is
Okay.
down, everything down, then you need to go to the Windows team. Yeah.
Okay. SQL is running. So after that,
You need to verify what is happening on the SQL, right? Whether process are hitting or not from application.
okay.
See, if you run this one,
Okay.
if you run this one, you will get to know how
Okay.
many process are hitting, right?
Okay.
Mm,
Okay.
if you open SSMS, oh, people who are getting late, okay, you can wind up, sir. You can go for recording, okay. Happy weekend. See you on Monday. Thank you. When you run this one, it will display how many processes are currently running, right? Okay, it will display how many sessions are running, who is running the sessions, from which host it is running the sessions, whatever the client host server, you will get that information, right? Means connections are establishing.
Okay.
Now you need to get more information. What sort of data you are loading, how much you are loading, what sort of slowness you are seeing, what sort of issue you are seeing, what sort of error you are getting, what sort of errors you are registering in the SQL server, error log, okay, error log, and you need to tune it, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Subbu, do we have access of this GitHub that all the
Oh,
scripts?
GitHub, yes, sir, yes. Yes.
Okay.
You can
Yeah.
just go to the Google.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Search for GitHub. Okay, GitHub AzureSQLChamp. Okay. You will find our GitHub.
Okay.
No worries,
Okay.
I will share all these links as well.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. And if you're having better scripts also, please let me know, sir. Okay. And don't hesitate to give me. Okay. If you're having better than this script, whatever we place it, if you're having better than this one, you are happy to inform to Sai or me. Yep. We'll update your script here itself so that you can access globally. This is a public repository. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. See you on Monday, sir. Have a great weekend.
Thank you. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you.